with pride, standing strong and working side by side with dedication in everything we do. We're building a better future too. Through hard work, challenges, and long days, we keep moving forward in many ways. Together as a team, we share one goal, making a difference with heart and soul. I am proud to be part of Intuitive Surgical, a company that gives us hope and purpose every day, creating medical technologies that help save lives, bringing healing and hope to people around the world. I am proud to stand with my teammates, sharing laughter, challenges, and success. Together we grow, together we achieve, building a brighter future for everyone. Woo! Every product we create with care carries our commitment everywhere, helping doctors and patients alike, changing lives one step at a time. Oh, the lessons we've learned, the friendships we've made, will stay with us through every stage. At Intuitive, we are more than a team. We're united by a meaningful dream. Intuitive Surgical, you'll always inspire me. A place where innovation meets humanity. I'm proud to be a part of this journey, making the world healthier for generations to come.